Hey there crew, it's Mark Fig and I go by MENWHOBULLET here on YouTube as well as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and over on my website, menwhobullet.com. And recently we've been taking a look at some of the items inside of the Archer and Olive June subscription box that's coming up, and we haven't been sneak peeking. We've just been showing you things like this adventure sticker set that we're gonna use today and set up a really cool, real quick spread just to talk about some cool adventures we're gonna take this summer. Alright, so I'm ready to go camping. I'm ready to have some fun. Hopefully you paid attention to some of the colors and icons that you saw for this setup today, because you're going to see a lot more of those with this subscription box. Now, if you have paused your subscription, you're already a subscriber but you paused, make sure you unpause by the 30th at 5 p.m. Central. If you do, you will get this box, and so far we've seen a traveler's notebook, a water bottle, we saw some cool pens. Hopefully you saw that one. That's very cool. We saw some merit badge stickers, and then we saw some other cool adventure time today. This is building up to be a really cool box. I'm really pumped up about this one, and hopefully you are too. Let me know down in the descriptions if you've been checking out this whole little unveiling of everything. What are you thinking so far of this subscription box? I want to hear from you. We'll talk next time. I've got more stuff to share with you. Happy planning. We've got more stuff. I'm so excited. Bye.